What's the easiest way to cut a mango? Take your mango, take a knife, make a cut in the center. Don't remove your knife, keep going until you meet the half. I did a poor job there, that's still fine. Hold one end, twist it, twist it, oh. Scrape off the pulp. This is definitely not the good looking way to cut a mango. Right. Now we've removed the pulp. Now hold this end and do a twist. And then retrieve. So you got the pulp still on the pit. And that's how you remove the pulp from this portion. Take your spoon and go ahead and scoop out the pulp. Now if you find this really gross, I made the most cleanest way of cutting a mango. Write down, check out the link, and until next time, see you later and stay safe.